Happiness.
Limo.
Look at those girl signs.
What are they for?
I don't know. What is it?
I think it's for Taylor Swift or something.
For what?
Taylor Swift?
What?
What it said, I heart, and then it had a picture of Taylor Swift.
Where?
Where? Look, she's
girl with
got
the
a
guitar.
guitar.
This thing?
Well, where are they going?
It says, we love Taylor Swift.
Well, where are those girls going?
I think they're going. What are those?
They couldn't possibly be going to the same place we are. Look at all these people in cowboy boots. Where do you think they're going?
The same place we are.
Yeah? So, you do know that we're not really going to a dinner, right?
Oh, we are. What?
Guess.
What?
Guess where we're going?
Limo, I
Where'd
see.
those girls, what was that girl's signs? What did their signs
Taylor
say?
Swift?
Uh-huh.
What?
We're gonna go see her. Right now. That's where me and you were going.
See? She's oh.
What do you think?
You see that bobblehead? Oh, look, there's your limousine.
Are you excited? Look, there's her tour bus. See it? See it?
That's where they carry all their band
That's
stuff.
where they carry all her equipment. Paige, guess what? Our seats are down on the floor right by her stage. Are you excited? Is that a good surprise? It was a big secret. It was hard to keep it, wasn't it, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Bubba didn't even know about it till today.